Good morning, dear students. How are you? Today we are going to have a revision on quarter one. First of all, we are going to speak about the parallel and transversals. Remember, we have angle relationships. Okay, I have here when I have two lines and another line intersects those two lines, they give me angles. Different kind of angles. So I need to know the relationship between them. Remember, we have here, when I say between 3 and 4, okay, 3, 4, where's 3 and 4, guys? 3 and 4, okay. I have here also 5 and 6, also 5 and 6. So they are what here? They are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles that gives me 180 degrees, 180 degrees. And we call them also what? Supplementary angles, supplementary angles. Okay, when I speak about here 3 and 5, okay, let's see 3 and 5, this and this gives me what? This gives me alternate interior angles, okay. Remember the letter Z here, alternate interior angles. Okay, I have here also 4 and 6. Can you see 4 and 6? Yeah, 4 and 6. Okay, what's the relationship between the angles here? It gives me what? It gives me alternate interior angle. Okay, the letter Z. Interior between the two lines. Interior between the two lines. What about the exterior outside the two lines? Okay, for example, the exterior angles 1 and the exterior alternate angles are 1 and 7. Let's see, 1 and 7. Okay, why exterior? Okay, let's draw this together. I have here, this is exterior. This is what? Exterior. Here up and here down, exterior. They are outside the two lines. They are outside the two lines. So this is called exterior. Okay, let's see another example. For the alternate exterior angles, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Where's 2 and 8, guys? 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 here is what? Alternate, but this time exterior outside. What about the corresponding angles? 1 and 5. Where's 1 and 5, guys? 1, okay, 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Remember, corresponding the letter F here, corresponding the letter F here, corresponding 1 and 5. And I have also 2 and 6. Can you see 2 and 6? Yes, this 2 and 6. They are corresponding. Letter F here. Okay, let's clear and make it again. Here, letter F. Letter F. Okay, okay. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Can you see it clearly? Okay, remember this will inshallah come in the exam. Okay, I will ask you, identify here the relationship between each two angles given. I have here angle 10 and angle 16, angle 10 and angle 16. What do you think? Alternate exterior, angle 10 and angle 16, alternate exterior here, alternate exterior. Okay, guys? Okay, so let's complete. I hope this is understood very well. Let's complete here. I have here the second thing. Remember the complementary and the supplementary angles. The complementary 90 degree. When I say complementary, remember well, complementary 90 degree. Complementary habibi 90 degree. Complementary. So 90 degree here minus 32 degrees. Minus 32 degrees. Okay. I have the supplementary 180 supplementary minus 91 degrees. Okay, so give me the remaining angle. And as you see here, 90 degree minus 32, 90 degree minus 32, that gives you 58 degrees. And this is called complementary. What about this? this is what, this is supplementary 180 minus the given which is 91. So the answer will be here 89. Okay, okay, easy, inshallah easy. Let's complete. What about that? Yalla, let's do it. He asks me here to find what? To find the value of x. Remember, to read the question well, to know what's required. Okay, here the value of x. I have here 111 and I have here vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. 111 and this is x plus 15. So what do you think, guys? Here 111 equal x plus 15. Why? Because they are congruent or equal vertical opposite angles. So how can I get the value of x? X remains here in the same place and 15 goes with negative sign. Okay, so here 111 minus 15, 111 minus 15 gives me 96 degrees. Not degrees, just 96. This is very important. Okay, okay. After that, okay, we have here systems of equations. Remember, guys, this will come in the exam, okay? And our project was about systems of equations also. When I say important, so focus. I have here two lines. They are intersecting, okay? And I have here what? The equations written on the two lines. So, and he will ask you solve for x and y, or solve the systems of equations. Negative 3x plus y equal 2. And I have also x plus y equals 6. Okay, so what should I do here? I want to eliminate here the variable y. And this is positive. How can I get this negative? Multiply the whole expression by negative 1. Okay, multiply the whole expression by negative 1. So I have here negative 3x plus y, the first one, the first line. Then I will write after that, I will multiply negative 1 times x, negative x. Let's clear to make it more clear for you. Okay, again, x plus y equals 6. I will multiply by negative 1. Let's multiply negative 1 times x, negative 1 times or multiplies by positive y, negative y. That's I want to do, equal negative 6, guys. Okay, and write here down the first equation, this one. Okay, and we're gonna solve for both of them now. So let's solve. Negative x plus negative 3x gives me negative 4x. Negative y plus y equals 0. Negative 6 plus 2 gives me negative 4. So negative 4x equal what? Equal negative 4. Let's clear and do it again. Negative 4x, okay, equal what? Negative 4. I want to solve for x, so I want to eliminate get rid of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x means the number beside the variable x. So divided by negative 4, divided by negative 4, so x equal what? Equal 1. Can we solve for y now? Yes, we can. How can I do it? I will take here x equal, okay, I want to show you the solution also. Yes, I will take here the x equal 1 and substitute in the simpler or easier expression. The easier expression is what? X plus y, or this one, the first one, x plus y equals 6, or positive 3x minus y equal negative 2. Which is simpler? Yes, I can hear you. X plus y equals 6 and I have x equal 1. So substitute, replace, put instead x1 equal what, guys? 6. So I have y equal 1 goes to the other side by negative. So y here, so 6 minus 1, y equal 5. So the solution for x and y will be 1 and 5. Very easy, I think so. Okay, let's complete. What about this example? I have here what? Two equations also given. This is important, guys. Okay, to all the revision sheet, this very important. So solve this revision sheet more than one time. I have here two equations. He gives you this graph, okay, and he asks you to solve for the two equations or solve for x and y. So what should I do? I have here what, guys? Can you see we have here 2x plus 4y? It's as an angle. It's as an angle. And it's equal to the opposite angle, vertical opposite angle. So I can say 2x plus 4y equals 72 degrees. Okay? 2x plus 4y equals 72 degrees. And this is the first expression I got. And I have what else, guys? I have another here expression, which is 5x plus 2y equals to what? Equals to, I have here, this is 72. What about this one? Let's clear again to make it more clear for you. I have this angle 72. What about this angle, guys? Okay, it's very easy. Linear, yes, linear pair theorem. Remember when I have this? Okay, so supplementary here, this is 72. So this will be 180 minus 72 degrees. So it will be 108. So 5x plus 2y equal 108. So Miss Dina, I have here two expressions. So I have here 2x plus 4y equals 72, and the other one 5x plus 2y equal 108. Okay, guys. Okay, what should I do to get here rid of one variable? 2x, let's write it in b. Okay, 4y equal 72, and I have also 5x plus 2y, so focus here, equal 108. Okay, I have here 2y and I have here 4y. What should I do, guys? Positive 2y, I want to change this to the additive inverse of the positive 4y. What's the additive inverse? The opposite. The opposite of 4y is what? Opposite of 4y, focus, is negative 4y. The additive inverse, the opposite, to make the addition of them 0. And what do you mean? I want to have positive 4y and negative 4y. When I add them together gives me 0. That's I want to do, to cancel the y here, to eliminate the variable y. Let's do it. What should I do for positive 2y to be negative 4y? I will multiply by negative 2. I will multiply by negative 2. When I say negative 2 times positive 2, it gives you negative 4, right? So let's do it. But remember, when you are multiplying a number here by an expression, I will multiply by all terms. So negative 2y times 5x, negative 10x. Okay, negative 2y times positive 2y, negative 4y. That's what I want to do. Equal what? Equal negative 2y times negative 2 times here times 108 gives me what? Negative 2 times 108 gives me negative 216. Okay, and then I want to solve for this. Let's see together. Okay, here I have here negative positive 2x, negative 10x gives me what? Gives me negative 8x. Okay, and I have here positive 4y goes with negative 4y. That's I want to do to eliminate or cancel the y. Then 72 minus 216 gives me negative 144. Divided both sides by the coefficient of x, and to get rid of this number, get x alone. Divided by negative 8, divided by negative 8, so x equal 18. Once I got here x equal 18, it's very easy to know why. Take just one of the expressions. Let it be the easier one. It's 2x plus 4y equals 2x plus 4y equals 72, and instead of x I put 18. 2 times 18 plus 4y equals 72. I'm here solving this. 2 times 18 gives me 36, as you see, plus 4y equals 72. I need 4y alone here, so 36 goes to the other side by negative. 72 minus 36 gives you 36. Then I have here y equal 9. Y equal 9 divided by 4 divided by 4. So y equals 9. So the answer here, the solution, is 18 and 9. 18 for x, 9 for y. Easy? Easy. Let's complete. I have here another example 3. 3x plus 2y equal 19, x plus y equal 8. So what should I do, guys? Here I can solve it by substitution or elimination, whatever you think it's easier for you. If I solve it by here by substitution, what should I do? Let's see, or let's see by substitution. He will give you here okay, just a moment, guys. Okay, let's solve it together here because it's not written. So 3x plus 2y equal 19, x plus y equal 8. When I say x plus y equal 8, so x equals what? X equals, remember this one, 8 minus y. Remember this one? Okay. Okay, guys, I solved this for you. This is by substitution, and it's optional to solve it by substitution or by elimination. Let's see if I solve it by elimination first. I will do what? I have here positive y and here positive 2y. So I want to make this y negative 2y. I want to make this y negative 2y. So let's do it. I will do it by both methods to make it easier for you. I have here, I will write the first one and here the second one. Change the second one to make it the inverse of positive 2y. Okay, I have here positive y. What should I do to make it negative 2y? Multiply by negative, of course, 2. So negative 2 times x plus y times x plus y, okay guys, equal 8. So negative 2 times x, negative 2 times x gives me negative 2x, negative 2 times positive y, negative 2y. That's I want to make it. Negative 2 times 8 gives me negative 60. Okay, so the new equation is what? The new equation is negative 2x minus 2y, okay, equal negative 16. Okay, so I will write it here, negative 2x minus negative 2 minus 2y minus 2y equal negative 16. Yalla, let's solve this. Okay, we want to erase this, just a moment to erase it. Okay, then how can I solve it? It's very easy. We will eliminate here the variable y, So guys, I have here 3x plus 2y equal 19, and for this one we said that we multiplied by negative 2, so it will be negative 2x minus 2y equal negative 16, remember? Then let's solve. 3x minus 2x gives me just 1x. Okay, positive goes with negative 2y, we eliminate it. So I have here 19 minus 16 equal, write 3. So x equal 3. So when I want to know y, x plus y equal 8, we choose here this one. Instead of x, write 3 plus y equal 8, so y equal 5. This is one method. What's the other method? I want to tell you. It's very easy also, is to do what? I have here x plus y equal 8, so instead of that I can say x equal what? 8 minus y. This is called what? This is called by substitution. What should I do then? I have here the value of x is 8 minus y. So substitute here. Let's substitute here. And instead of x, I put 8 minus y. This is another method if you like it. 8 minus y, so 8 minus y, I put it instead of this x, plus 2y equal 19. Okay, 3 times 8, 24. Okay, and 3 times negative y, negative 3y, plus 2y equal 19, right? Negative 3y plus 2y gives you what? 24 minus just 1y equal 19. So the value of y will be what? 24. Okay, I have here 24 minus 19. So okay, so y here is 5. When I have y equal 5, I want to substitute in the easier one. So x will be what? X will be 3. This is another method if you like it. So I will give you the opportunity to solve by using the method that you prefer. Okay? Okay. Moving to this point, this is important also. Pairs of lines. Pairs of lines, guys, I will give you this as I will give you two lines, y equal 5x plus 8, y equal 5x minus 4. I will give you two lines and I will ask you, what do you think? They are parallel or intersecting or coinciding? So if you have the same slope here, okay, remember this equation y equal mx plus b. Okay, m here is called what? M here is the slope. M here is the slope. So 5 here is the slope. And b here is the y-intercept. If you have the same slope and different y-intercept or different b, so you have parallel lines. So you have parallel lines. And if you have the different slopes, if I have here different slopes, so I have intersecting lines. I have intersecting lines. What about if I have the same slope and the same y-intercept? Same slope, same y-intercept. So they are what? They are coinciding lines. Okay, so in the exam, please tell me, because they have the same slope and they have different y-intercepts and so on. Don't just write parallel. Okay, guys? Okay. So you will write the slope is what and the y-intercept is what, and tell me here that's why they are parallel, intersecting, or coinciding. Okay, guys? Okay. Let's complete حبايبي. I have here classifying pairs of lines. I will give you, for example, determine whether the lines are parallel, intersect, or coincide. Here I have y equal to x plus 3, y equal to x minus 1. So both lines have the slope 2. As you see, this is the answer. I want you to write the answer like this. Both lines have a slope of 2, and the y-intercepts are different. The y-intercepts here 3 and negative 1. So the lines are parallel. Okay, easy. Okay, if I have here two lines like that, y equal 3x minus 5, and I have on the other line, it's not in the order of the rule. So I want to do what? Rearrange or reorder them according to our rule. So we know that y equal mx plus b. Okay, so y here I have to write the negative 2y first. Negative 2y equal what? Mx, 6x. And when I say 6x, it will go to the other, yes, focus please here, go to the other side by negative 6x. Okay, and 10 remains in the other side, so I will not change its sign. So I have here a negative 2y equal negative 6x plus 10. So what should I do after that? I want to get the y alone. Divided negative 2. Okay, and all of this divided negative 2 divided negative 2. Y equal 3x minus 5. After this, after I got my new line in its simplest form, or in the form of y equal mx plus b, so I will find out now the slope is 3 and the y-intercept is negative 5, and I have here 3, and I have here in the first line also negative 5. So they are, or they coincide. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, very important question. Okay, what about this one? I have 3x plus 2y equals 7, 3y equal 4x plus 7. So I have here 3 and 3, sorry, 3 x, and I have here 3, but this time I have 3y. What should I do? I have to make the first here line to make it as y equal mx plus b. Remember that. Okay, so I do it as the last one and solve for it. It's the same. Okay, let's move to example 3. Example, one line passes through points -3, 14, and 1, -2. So the first line here, guys, passes through -3, 14, 1, and -2. This is for the first line. What about another line? Another line passes through points 0, -3, -2, and 5. So we have what? We have two lines. We have two lines. I want to solve the two lines. He asks me here, okay, if the two lines intersects, parallel, or coincide. The question will be if the two lines parallel, coincide, or intersect. So can you see we have here what? Notice that we have here -3, 14. We have points. We have points here for x1, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So we are going to use what to find the slope? We're going to use this one, this rule. From where can I get this, miss? Or know that I'm going to use this rule? He gives you here all the points, so it's easy to know that we're going to use this rule. So y sub 1 minus y sub 2 over x sub 1 minus x sub 2, and we're going to solve it here. Y sub 1, okay, let's write it together. Okay, Miss Dina, we can solve y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1, yes. Or we can do it y sub 1 minus y sub 2, x sub 1 minus x sub 2. It's okay for both, but remember to follow the order. So here when I say y sub 2, let's write it together. Okay. Okay, I have here x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So if I will solve it by y sub 1 minus y sub 2, I will say 14, okay, won't write it in a way, 14 minus what? Y sub 1 minus y sub 1 minus y sub 2, 14 minus negative, okay, 14 minus -2, so open brackets, don't forget this, over, okay, x sub 1, -3, minus x sub 2, what, minus 1. Okay, so don't forget to follow the here order. Okay, after that, 14 minus -2, negative 14 minus -2, so it will be what? It will be 16. -3 minus, okay, 14, I want to show you, 14 minus -2. So here when I have this bracket, it will be positive, so it will be 14 plus 2. Okay, 16. I wanted to write it for you. -3 minus 1 equal what? Negative, same size. So here I lost 3, then I lost 1, so the total loss is -4. Okay, this, how can we add the negative signs? So 16 divided -4, it gives you -4. So this is the M1, the slope 1. Slope 2 by the same here. Okay, I have for the second line x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, I have here, can you see it? Yes, y sub 1, -3 minus -2, and I have here negative, okay, -3 minus, sorry, -3 minus 5, -3 minus 5, let's clear and do it again. I have here x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So what should I do here for this one? Okay, what should I do here for this one? I have here y sub 1, which is -3, minus y sub 2, which is 5, over x sub 1, which is 0, minus x sub 2, which minus minus negative 2 in the bracket. Okay, it should be like this. Okay guys, so negative 3 minus 5, negative 8, negative times here negative gives me positive, so it will be negative 8 over what? Over 2. So it will give me negative 8 over 2 gives me negative 4, right? So I have here for the second slope is negative 4. They are the same, so they are parallel. So they are parallel. Okay, let's complete here. I want to see them. Okay, let's complete in another we will make part 2 for the revision. Okay, so I shall stop here and complete in part 2. Study well part 1 and part 2, guys.